welcome back to Life on Greenwood. So I'm just getting up. It's late, but I'm just getting up to make some eggs, some scrambled eggs. A lot of times I eat egg whites. Let me show you. It's not usually egg whites, but today I'm gonna have some scrambled eggs, and I just really like to have like onions and peppers in my eggs, and garlic. When I'm having just plain eggs, like I'll have like a lot of peppers and garlic. So I like to keep those on hand for when I'm having scrambled eggs. I thought I'd just bring you along just because. But anyway, this is like one of the favorite ways that I like to have my scrambled eggs. It's like making the omelet, but it's not. I'm not going to make it omelet style. I like doing this because I stopped adding cheese to my eggs. Because of cholesterol. I mean, it's bad enough I'm having an egg with the yellows in it to begin with, but then to add cheese with it, oh my God. I stopped because my doctor said that my cholesterol was high, and you need to cut out cheese, you need to cut out fish, you need to cut out fats and this and that. And when she said cheese, cutting out cheese, I was like, oh God, just kill me now, kill me now. But you know, it does make sense. Makes sense, right? So anyway, I like to cut up peppers and just make the eggs like so full of everything that it feels like it's a meal. So I really don't miss the cheese. Who am I kidding? But no, it really is so good. So I just thought I'd bring you along to Life on Greenwood. I hope everyone's having a good morning. And we just got like, I don't know, 5 or 6 more inches of snow last night on top of like 2 feet that we got a couple of days ago. So hubby is like really enjoying this because now he's getting to use his new with snowblower. Hang on a second, let me finish cutting this and I'll come back. All right, I got everything cut up. Let me turn on some lights. And I think I'm going to let me do my eggs. Breakfast with you guys, but who else scrambles their eggs in a bowl? My husband likes to scramble his eggs directly in the pan. I don't think you get the fluffiness. I don't think you get that the egg really gets scrambled enough for me. I like to do this to make sure like the yellow is completely scrambled. All right, so I was saying I got interrupted by hubby coming down. He likes his scrambled eggs with, he just scrambles them in the pan. I don't know about that. I just put a little vegetable oil in that pan. And I like this to get mine really fluffy. Those eggs were so small. Okay. So I'm going to scrape all of my my onions and peppers. I know it looks like a lot, but I really like this, especially if I'm not having anything else with it. I really just like to have a lot. I'm going to add some, so I added some garlic, this kind of garlic, like a powder to it. You can't have too much garlic, right? You can't have too much garlic. There's no such thing as too much garlic. So to this is, I added salt and pepper and that garlic to it. Just a little salt, just a little pepper. I'm gonna let those cook down. All right, next I'm gonna add my tomato. I need a little more oil. Look at the colors, isn't that great? Look at all the colors. And I'm going to add some minced garlic. I ran out of this. I love this. I have this on everything. I love cooking with this. Adding this minced garlic, and then I will add in my eggs, and everything is really cooking down. And I don't usually have I don't have meat with this, because when you have all of this, who needs meat? So I like to do this when I'm not adding like cheese to these eggs. And you get to taste like all of the veggies. So I guess you could say I like a little eggs with my veggies. And the egg sort of just kind of binds it all together. Yeah, I like the little eggs with my veggies. It's so flavorful. All right, I'm gonna scramble that up and I'll come back after I plate it. That's good. Tomato, peppers. Okay. That's good. If you try this, let me know. And thank you for coming back to Life on Greenwood. And I think this is probably only the third time that I've cooked something on camera. I'm usually doing thrifting and thrift hauls and painting, a lot of painting and upcycling thrifted stuff. But if you are new here and you like the content, by all means, become a member of the fam and subscribe. And for my returning friends, thanks so much. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys. I got to get some coffee. Oh, coffee.